flipped over dang truck right at the entranceway of the Loves and 49 ramp. So apparently, oh boy, was going a little bit too fast coming down this road here, is my assumption. He made that turn and put that old truck on its side. So apparently, he thought, you know, he was in such a rush. Oops, sorry about that. But, yeah, that's what I woke up to, guys. I'm actually getting ready to head out here in about an hour or so. Hopefully they have this cleaned up, because that's also the ramp to 49 North, or 45 North, excuse me. And otherwise I'm going to have to go south, flip around, come back up. But like I said, they're working on getting her picked up now and put back upright. If some of you didn't know, I'm actually doing another channel. I mean, I might do a driving video now and then, but it's outdoor sports. It's under my featured channels. You can probably follow me over there. It's going to be a lot of fishing, scuba diving, underwater shots, stuff like that. A break from the norm, you know. You see what I do in the truck, and it's not that I don't enjoy it, but need something a little bit more, and I can have a lot more fun doing videos of things I enjoy. But anyway, guys, stop on over that our channel. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell for updated videos. Like I said, there's only one video on there right now, guys. My wife is getting into scuba diving as well, so I'm going to actually be doing video of her confined water, which will be inside the pool, and her check dives. And then from there on out, I'll be recording all our dives we do together or solo, whichever. Anyway, guys, until then, don't be like this guy. Keep the dirty side down, shiny side up. I'm out.